What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be reviewing and unboxing this Airjordan 1 Mid SE patent BRED toe, which I bought in the Nike app PH. So it comes with a regular black Airjordan 1 box, and this stock came from Singapore and delivered to me within 3 days with priority shipping. So, the reason I purchased it because of its combination of color, being BRED and Chicago colors. And this one is with the size of 7.5 US. The black and red overlays shine literally. Under the light, the glossy finish pops hard and making this sneaker feels more premium and eye-catching compared to the traditional leather of the AJ1 mids. The wide sides panel help balance the look, preventing it from being too overwhelming. The Nike swoosh on the sides are red, which adds some contrast and balance to the design. The tongue is also black with the red champan logo on it. The collar has a black winged basketball logo on it, which is a signature element of the Airjordan 1. And the laces are just all black. The midsole is white and has an air unit in the heel for cushioning and comfort. The outsole is red and has a circular pattern for traction and durability. And some even says the Airjordan 1 does have the greatest traction of all time. The patent leather looks premium but doesn't feel as soft as full-grain leather. Durability is solid as well, though comparing to the higher-end models like the Airjordan 1 Retro High OG, the materials are still a step below. But that's expected in the mid lineup. But comparing it to the regular mid, SE do have better materials here. Comfort is just decent here, but nothing revolutionary. It does have a standard AJ1 cushioning setup, it does have a firm midsole, but not super plush, and it does have also a good ankle support thanks to the mid-cut. For casual wear, it's perfectly fine, but if you're expecting a modern sneaker comfort like Boost or like the React, this won't match that level. For its sizing, it's true to size for most people. It's slightly snug at first due to the patent leather stiffness, and if you have wider feet, you might feel some tightness initially. But once break in, it will feel good and it will be just fine like any Airjordan 1. This sneaker is extremely versatile as well if you're into streetwear. It works well with black jeans, cargos, or short. It's also a great statement piece for simple outfits and perfect for night outs or casual fits. The shine makes it more of a fit check shoe rather than an everyday beater. For its pros and cons. For its pros, it is eye-catching with its patent leather finish. It does have this classic BRED toe colorway. It is also one of the affordable entry into the Jordan lineup, and it's great for styling and outfits. For its cons, it's not the most breathable shoe, and the comfort is just average, and glossy finish isn't for everyone. The Airjordan 1 Mid SE patent BRED toe is all about looks. If you want a sneaker that stands out and elevates your outfit instantly, this is a strong pickup for only around 7 to 8,000 pesos or around 140 US dollars, or sometimes lower with discounts. With its patent BRED color, it's made for people who want their shoe to stand out. So that is my review of the Airjordan 1 Mid SE patent BRED toe. So what do you think with this Airjordan 1 Mid SE colorway? Would you pick it up or not? Comment down below. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.